welcome back to my channel, and for those who don't know me, I'm Kaylee. Today we have a very special Christmas macrame video, and we're going to be doing another segment of Crafts with Kaylee. That's me. So we're going to make these Christmas macrame wreaths. And actually, these wreaths can be made all year round. It doesn't actually need to be Christmas. It just depends on what type of decorations you choose. So you can actually just make an all year round wreath with this exact tutorial. So if you like seeing more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to make more craft videos. Also, if you do like my content, please like this video and hit that subscribe button. That would really help my little channel grow. I do have a separate Instagram for my macrame, so if you want to check out more macrame and have it all compiled in one spot, that would be the place to go. So let's not waste any more time because the holiday season can be so busy. So let's go on in and make this little guy here.
Let's start with the things we need. A large hoop. We're going to need 3 pieces of 3.2 meters of braided cotton cord. Scissors. Get yourself some thick twine. Now this one's really important. You're going to need some Christmas decorations, which you could buy from the store like I did. I bought mine from the dollar store. Or you can stay eco-friendly and reuse some of your old Christmas decorations. And lastly, a glue gun, which is optional. Let's start by placing the hoop in the center of your workspace. Now grab your cords and fold them all in half so they're equal in length. Tie the loop end onto the hoop. There's a really easy way to remember this. Loop, hoop. They both rhyme. So you don't have to tie these very carefully because we're going to untie them later. Just make sure to leave a little bit of a tail at the end of the loop. I'm going to pin everything down for the sake of this video. You definitely don't have to do this, but if you do find the cords too slippery on the metal hoop, this is very helpful. Okay, now we're going to start the braiding process. Before we begin, make sure the middle cord is underneath the hoop. Take the cord on the right and bring it across the center. Now take the left cord and bring it over that first cord, but make sure you string it underneath the hoop. Okay, let's show that again. So take the right side and bring it across the center. Now grab the left cord and put it on top of the first cord, but underneath the hoop. Make sure to pull everything snug. Continue doing this braid pattern all the way around the hoop. So just remember, right side across, left side over and then under. So as I go along, I want to make sure no parts of the metal are showing. So to do that, I just push the braid back and make sure everything is nice and tight. Okay, let's skip ahead. So now that we've almost reached the end, I'm going to push the braid back so we have more space to finish it off. Once the 2 pieces meet, untie the knots that you tied at the beginning. Then braid until the 2 ends meet again. Once the ends meet, bring all the cords from one end onto either side of the hoop. Start braiding off the hoop to make a little braid tail on either side. Now layer the 2 braid tails on top of each other. Once they are layered, you can stop here and just continue on to the next portion. But if you want to secure everything down a little bit more, like I do, you can use a glue gun and glue it down. Alternatively, you can also use fabric glue, but that takes a lot longer to dry. I like doing a little pull test to see if everything is secure. It looks great! I'm gonna grab my thick twine, and yes, make sure it's thick. If you're using that thin twine, you're gonna be wrapping around and around, and you're gonna use way more than 2 meters. So here, all I'm doing is a gathering knot. If you wanna watch a slowed down version of this, please watch my gathering knot tutorial on my YouTube shorts. So once the knot is finished, you can cut all of your excess pieces off. So now we're finished the base of the wreath. So here you can decorate it with any type of flowers or decorations you like. I'm going to be using the Christmas decorations. So I bought this piece of, I guess, tree from the dollar store, and I'm going to be using the gathering knot as the starting point to the wreath. I was struggling quite a bit with showing the camera and trying to put this in at the same time, so I'm going to struggle off camera and show you the results. I have to say it turned out much nicer than I expected. So now we have one last thing left, and that's to make a little tie at the top. So I'm going to use regular small twine, and I'm going to make a little tie at the top using a cowhitch knot, and then just a simple knot at the top. And that's it! Ta-da! This is the wreath. I love how it turned out.
Thank you so much for watching this video and making these wreaths with me. And if you'd like to see more macrame tutorials, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely do more if you want more. And if you thought this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button. And while you're at it, the subscribe button's right there, so maybe just boop, boop. Yeah, if you like the content on my channel, please also subscribe. That would really help my little small channel. And yeah, I'll catch you next time, and bye. Bye, 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 bye. What's another one? Bye, 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 bye. Oh, I can do the TikTok trend with this. Whoa. People with the ring lights. Oh, okay, that got stuck in my hair. Okay, just kidding. Lied, I lied. Yes.